Welcome to Gabi Tech News and part 3 of our news section for the day. EVGA is releasing new Thermalpaste. They say it would be amazing. Let's see what will happen. EVGA announces Frostbite to thermal interface material. EVGA Frostbite to thermal grease is the next generation thermal paste that is designed to deliver highly efficient heat transfer under any workload. It's easy to apply and it gives optimal thermal contact between your CPU or GPU and its heatsink. Whether you're air cooling, water cooling, gaming, overclocking, that will keep your temperature on high. It has the specifications here: color, weight, thermal resistance, thermal conductivity, 1.6 specific gravity, and operating temperature from -40 to 180. High efficient heat transfer under any wall. My Thermalpaste finished, maybe I should take it. NVIDIA CEO is cooking something in his oven. Let's check what he is cooking. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang has been cooking the world's largest GPU. Is this the Ampere?
I got something I gotta show you. Alrighty. This has been cooking for a while.
I like his house.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what we got here is the world's largest graphics card.
World's largest graphics card. Viper Gaming launches new 64GB kits of high-performance DRAM, and they're making the 64GB kit affordable for a price of $300 in Amazon. Viper Gaming by Patriot is a global leader performance in memory, solid-state drive and flash storage solutions. They announced their 32GB memory module kit as part of the Viper 4 Blackout DDR4 performance memory, offering gamers and video content creators ability to equip their system with more memory and further extending with potential performance. This is excellent choice for enthusiastic builders. They're backed by a limited lifetime warranty and it launches frequency of 3000, 3200 and 3600 MHz. They're available in kits in 64GB, that means 2 sticks on 32. They're beautiful. That black color is pretty classy. It would fit very nice any build if you ask me. And I would actually go for this because the price of $300 for 64GB for RAM that is 3600 on speed with latency on 18 is still okay. It's very good price for this kind of memory storage. Thank you very much for watching this news section. Be sure to like and subscribe and have more ice cream.